A nervous monthly wait for many, but this time a reprieve on interest rates.
Here we go. Oh, whoa. It's on hold. Hey guys, on hold.
Real estate agent May Chan thinks the pause in rate rises will see more activity in a housing market already defying the odds.
I think we'll be a lot busier at open for inspections. I think buyers will see that as a positive sign.
While the 12 rate hikes since May last year have crunched people's borrowing capacity, there's still strong interest.
It's not stopping them from purchasing, they'll just change their price bracket.
It's the second consecutive month the RBA has left the cash rate unchanged at 4.1%.
There will be a sigh of relief around Australia, but people are still under the pump.
Among them is Kimberly Starr, who is facing a big hit when her fixed rate expires in October.
My repayments will change from being about 40% of my take-home income to nearly 60% of my take-home income. I'm one of those people on the mortgage cliff.
The part-time teacher and writer has been trying to put aside the extra money she'll need to come up with every month, but has so far fallen short.
I'm actually really frightened. I think the thing is that health insurance is a few $100s a month, Netflix and Stan are $30 a month. Once you add all those things together, they still come to only a few $100s a month, and my extra mortgage will be $1,000. It's just unimaginable.
It's a dilemma that remains, despite the short-term rates relief.
We certainly still have more effects from the rate rises that have been delivered to come through.
In the past few months, the Reserve Bank Board has noted that some are facing a painful squeeze on their finances. Now it seems the balance has shifted, and it says many households are feeling the pressure. Economists remain divided on whether there are still further hikes ahead, but many believe the peak is now near, if not here.
We can't rule out an extended pause. The fact that the Reserve Bank in the last 5 board meetings, including today's, has paused for 3 out of that 5, that certainly suggests that the pause can continue.
Homeowner Trevor Withane is still bracing for more rate hikes.
Won't be celebrating just yet until we see a few more announcements where there's either a hold or a reduction in the interest rates.
The Sydney lawyer has seen repayments on his apartment rise by nearly 40%. He's looking to buy a bigger home for his family and has been surprised that prices have kept increasing despite rising rates.
The challenge for us has been changing our mindset and realising that we can't necessarily buy in the suburb that we want to live in.
House prices continued to climb in July for a 5th straight month. National home values rose by 0.7%. That still leaves them 3.4% lower than a year ago. Across the country, the biggest gains in the month were in Brisbane and Adelaide, followed by Perth. Sydney prices grew, but at a slower pace, with smaller rises in Melbourne, Darwin and the regions. No change in Hobart, while values in Canberra fell slightly.
As we see more choice for buyers, that is taking some heat out of the marketplace.
The rise in new listings through winter is unusual, and it's expected to continue in coming months.
Higher number of new listings coming to the marketplace could really test the market's resilience.
May Chan is seeing signs of plenty of potential sellers getting prepared.
We're doing a lot of appraisals, seeing a lot of people for the spring market.
And if rates remain on hold from here, that could see prices spring even higher.